Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to use Font Awesome. I will say you two methods and one bonus tip. Let's start the video. First open Visual Studio and create new file as index.html. I am writing my code. Link rel referral style sheet href equals to. Now open the Chrome browser. Search as font awesome cdnjs. Open the first link. This is font awesome library. Copy the first link. I am copying the link. This is the first link. Copy. Paste in link referral style sheet. I'm copying. Follow me. I'm copying this link here. Pasting this link here. Now open Font Awesome in Chrome browser. Open first link. Click on icons. Search. I'm searching home icon. See, I click on first. Copy the link, HTML link, and go to Visual Studio. Now paste in body. Pasting the link. Now let's see the result. Let's see the run this code. Yes, we got it. I'm zooming. Let's see the next method. And for this method we don't using the first line link referral style sheet, so we deleting this line. Now open the Chrome browser again. This is the second method. In Font Awesome you sign in. First of all, I'm sign up and sign in. Go to kits, use free, click on the code. Now step up. In step up you can see this JavaScript code. Copy that. Paste in before the end of the body tag. I'm pasting. You can see I'm pasting before the body tag JavaScript. This is the second method. You can run this code. Yeah, we got it. This is the second method. Now see the third method. For third method you open the Chrome browser and search iron icons. Open the first link. This is the simple method. Go to uses. Here see, you can see in HTML file, copy this JavaScript two lines, paste it in before the body tag. You can see they're given instructions how to use this. You can read out this and open the, after copying and pasting these two lines in a Visual Studio before the body tag, go to icons and click on icon where what you want, copy that icon link and paste in HTML and use it. Thank you for watching.